Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Apollonia and I'm so glad that you're here with me today. Today I'm going to be trying to attempt a Bantu knot out hairstyle, and I say attempt because I've tried to do this before and it didn't get the results that I liked. I tried to do Bantu knots on wet hair and I've tried to do them on damp hair, and honestly it took my 3C hair about 2.5 days to completely dry, and when I took them out they didn't look as good as I wanted them to. So I'm going to be trying to do the Bantu knot out style on dried hair today to see if the results are any better than what I've gotten in the past. So creating Bantu knots are really simple. They're really cute if you want to go out wearing that style, but I want to see how they look when I take the Bantu knots out. I want to see the type of curls that my hair gets. So let's get started creating them. So the first thing that I'm going to be using to create my Bantu knots is my Maui Moisture Curl Quench and Coconut Oil Curl Smoothie. So this is a thick hair cream that you're going to be applying to your hair as a hair styler to help set the Bantu knots. So I really love Maui Moisture's products. They smell amazing. So this one is coconut oil and it has papaya extract, plumera extract, and of course coconut oil. This product smells amazing. It smells just like coconut. So in order to create the Bantu knots, what you first want to do is start parting your hair into little sections to where you want them to be. Since I have long hair, I use larger sections. However, if you have shorter hair, you might opt for using smaller sections to create more curls. I like to make sure that my hair is thoroughly detangled before I start applying the product. Once I'm finished, I apply the Maui Moisture cream to my fingertips and work it through in the entirety of my hair. Then I start twisting the section between my fingers, starting from the roots and working my way down. Then I twist the small coil at the base of my scalp while keeping tension before I gradually continue to wind the rest of my hair around the base of the coil. Finally, I secure the Bantu knot by setting it with a small elastic band. Then I repeat the knotting process on the remaining sections of hair. Okay everyone, so my Bantu knots are complete. You can see that my entire head is full of the Bantu knots. You don't have to make them this size. You can make them smaller, you can make them larger. It's up to you and how defined or loose you want your curls to be when you take them out. So hopefully this time around they actually come out well. I'm gonna leave them in maybe for a day just to let them set, and then I'll take them out tomorrow to see how the results came out. So I am back. My Bantu knots are completely dry. So what I like to do before I start styling is applying a little bit of oil. So right now I have the Maui Moisture Coconut Milk Weightless Oil Mist. And I'm just gonna spritz my hair a little bit. And this smells amazing. As you can see, I like a lot of coconut products, so this does smell like coconut milk. Just to give it a little bit of shine, I'm just gonna rub that right in my little parts. So the first way that I like to style my Bantu knots is with hair jewelry. I bought some little clips from Amazon for $6.99 and it came in a pack of 100. So I have a lot of jewels to choose from. So I'm gonna start applying them to my hair. So I have a little casual gold ring here. I'm just gonna stick that through my hair. And I have a cute one with a little leaf. I'm gonna put that right in the middle. And of course you can apply as many as you want. This is just one way to style your Bantu knots, just to give them a little pop. If you want to wear them like this, if you don't want to take them out and wear your hair curly, you can just use this as a protective style. And I think this is really cute. You could add more, you could add less, you could just leave the one in the middle. The second way I like to style my hair when I'm wearing Bantu knots is doing half down and then half Bantu. So I'm gonna take the Bantu knots in the back out. I start by taking out each elastic band and then carefully uncoil each Bantu knot. The oil mist that I sprayed to my hair earlier helps prevent friction so that my hair doesn't get frizzy while taking them out. Then I loosen the twists gradually and gently separate each curl. Okay, let's keep going. I think this is the last one that I'm gonna take out. Okay, so this is a second style that you can do with your Bantus. You can take about the majority of them out, but you can see that it creates this really nice, pretty, curly style. And I still have my hair jewelry in. The final style that I will be creating today is the complete Bantu knot out. like to use my pick to fluff my hair, which creates volume and also helps to remove the part lines. Finally, I'm going to place some bobby pins on one side of my hair and then place my curls where I want them to be. Okay everyone, so that is it for my Bantu knot out styles. I hope you enjoyed the ones that I did. And if you decide to try them for yourselves, I hope they work out and you can let me know how they do in the comments below. And until next time, bye.